Hello friends, and welcome to this video as we look at functions in Excel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the COUNTA function. My name is Master Consolata Kello. Let's get started. The COUNTA function in Excel allows you to count all cells in any given range that are not empty or blank. It considers all cells that contain text, numeric, and alphanumeric values. So let's take a look. So in the cell where you want your value to appear, press equals, count A, and then the range of values, and press enter. So it has given us 24. If we look at this column from A1 to A25, that is the range we have provided. Now, it has left out A22, which is a blank value, and has given us 24, which contains some sort of value, whether numeric or otherwise. And you can also provide a wider range, so we can have count A, and then you take this entire table, enter. Now you have a value of 120 non-blank cells. So that has been it for this video. If you have enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.